So this is called Nova Duran, and what we're gonna do in this one is we're outside right now, but we're gonna go in and walk around and just kind of show you what it looks like a little bit. And it's like several floors, and just to kind of give you some context, it's a Friday night. This right here is a giant park. There's like soccer in there, there's basketball, there's playgrounds, there's a giant swimming pool. It's all surrounded by all these tall buildings everywhere. So all of this is kind of set up right in front of Nova Grand, but there's also other apartments. There's a Theater Hotel right there too. There's other apartments that go down a couple blocks that way, and then a number of blocks down that way, and a number of blocks down that way. And the casinos are way down there, Galaxy and such. And what we're gonna do is walk into this mall right here. Starbucks is right there. So okay, let's go in and check it all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here's Nova Grand Mall. So we're gonna walk on in, check it all out, see what we can show you in this space. And this is basically the outside as well. Tons of tall buildings everywhere around here, including that giant Central Park right there. Really nice space. And you can also see IKEA right there in the corner as well. So let's go on in. We're just gonna see if the security even lets us. They might not let me, but we're just gonna walk in with the camera a little bit, see if the security tells us that we can't or not. Got a Starbucks right here, and then we have Atrium, which I guess is elevator. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just going to see how much we can film before somebody tells me not to film. And I think we're gonna start here and go up one, just because I can always look down. So we're gonna go up like this, and then now you can also see the IKEA. So there's an IKEA shop right there. We're gonna also look down over the creative spot. Okay, so let's see. So once we're in here a little bit, we'll be able to look down on the other shops. Huh. There's something right here called the Challenger. I just saw advertisement there for Challenger, which is the car wash. So a lot of the casinos will wash your car, and they call it Challenger. Here's IKEA to the right here. This shopping mall looks a little quiet right now, surprisingly. And that's the mall. So yeah, kind of a nice little space. So yeah, and sometimes they'll have like events right here, like at Christmas and stuff like that. Yeah, really nice space. Nova Grand. Oh, for a minute I thought it said, I saw something called Annabella. I was thinking it was pretzels. What's that? So anyways, they got lots of shops, and it's kind of a nice mix of like a nail shop and different stuff like that, with some chain stuff as well, but not that much chain stuff, which is kind of nice. And if you go down, this goes all the way down to we're gonna try to go up. It's called Annabella IP. So what we're gonna do is go up. Oops. I'm gonna go up this way. Hey, actually the mall doesn't really seem that crowded today. It's a great Korean restaurant right here that I love to go to. It's always filled with people. Hanguk. Let's see what it's called. This one. Oh, Hyundai. Hanguk Yori. So it's a Hyundai Korean restaurant. It's usually always busy. And then there's a cinema over here. Can you read, Smithy? It's a cinema here. Okay. Everything seems kind of quiet tonight. No showing, doesn't say. Anyways. So basically, we're gonna walk down and out, I guess. And we'll just kind of show you what's up on this floor. There's a food court up here. Maybe I'll take you to the food court. And you got better views of this. Excel Optical. Pizza Express. They have this at the Hong Kong airport. Yeah, actually, the timing is funny. It's like 8 p.m. right now. Everything seems empty. It's like Friday at 8 p.m. It is a 3-day weekend, so it's possible that a lot of locals are going into mainland China for a few days. I guess that's what's happening, because usually it's a lot busier than this. Ogeti. Okay, well anyways. So I guess what we're gonna do is let's go down. Yeah, it's really quiet. Some little Macau restaurants down that way. That kind of Macau-ish. I think that's it says hot dog. I think that's where the food court was at. But it looks like they closed it down. So we're gonna go down. You can kind of see in the IKEA now. So yeah, not so interesting people-wise. But it is what it is. There's IKEA again, to the left. So that's all IKEA right there, those 2 stories. Oh, there is a downstairs as well. Maybe we'll go, if you go downstairs, there's a 7-Eleven. Oh no, there's a, let's go down that way. Oh, that's for going up. So I think that goes, let's see here. Oh, it goes down. Huh. How does it go back up then? Well, this is good. So you kind of win a little bit on all 4 floors. Toys R Us. There's another toy store, Kids Cavern over here. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just go down this way a little bit. And then we're gonna end our video. And all the way down at the end is something called Taste. And Taste is a supermarket. Deep green ice cream. Huh, banana ice cream surprise from Macau. Don't know why that's a surprise from Macau, but yeah, this supermarket is fantastic. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just end it here. Okay, before we go out, We're right in this middle part, so we basically walked by this a couple times in different floors. And it's kind of interesting, this one right here says Nova Mall Guinness World Records, the largest display of origami stars. So I guess all these are origami stars. The largest display of origami stars. That's interesting. Okay, so we're gonna head out to the left here. And then this is the Taste, so we're basically one store up. And once you go down in here, you go directly into the supermarket, or that one. And what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna go that way and to the left. And we're gonna go back out again and just kind of give you the context, because I think the location of the mall I think is the most interesting part. There's Haiti. So we're gonna head straight out this way. And now you can see the location of it. Taipa Central Park to the right. All these tall buildings everywhere. I guess I have to give you a 360 real quick as well, but you got tons of apartments all the way down. And of course, this is all Taipa Central right here. Sorry, Central Park right there. Right there. Okay. And then this is the front of it. Okay. So that's Taipa Nova Grand, and that's the Theater Hotel right directly in front of us, and that's the Taipa Central Park. So let's end it. Let's end it with this view right here. We can view the whole park. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's a really beautiful park, the way it's surrounded. And also in front of us too, there's tall buildings that are up ahead of us as well. So that's this nice feeling. And you can also see all the way up there as well. So kind of cool. Okay, so let's end it. And so we came in at right there, so. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.